told us how to fix it.
What was wrong with this?
One of the sockets is broken or out. It's like not working, right? So he says you can replace the socket. You don't have to replace the whole fixture. The socket might cost you like $4 at Home Depot. And I saw
Screw it and then
I saw how when he took it apart, I saw how the new socket is installed. I could do that myself. And the same thing, he said that the same thing is what's wrong with that one.
Now why are we having socket problems all of a sudden? The way we're screwing in bolts and unscrewing them and...
They're just not, the way they make stuff these days, they're not built to last forever. Just cheap products. Cheap products. Did you see I brought a full box lunch? It was a lot of people didn't come today, and so they were giving these away. But I'm going to eat this salad instead.
Yeah, because it's not going to be good on tomorrow.
Huh?
It's not going to be any good by tomorrow.
Oh, I'm going to eat it now.
Josh, what happened to your lei? That Hawaiian lei that...
Well, it's in my it's right there on the floor in my room.
Right there on the floor?
Yeah. I'll get it later. I could get after this.
Yeah, because it's real.
I know.
It's going to die.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it's real.
Oh.